Asus M515DA AMD Ryzen. Whether for work or play, Asus M515 is the entry-level laptop that delivers powerful performance and immersive visuals. Its Nano Edge display boasts wide 178 degrees viewing angles and a matte anti-glare coating for a truly engaging experience. Inside, it's powered by up to an AMD Ryzen 3 processor. AMD Ryzen 3 3250U mobile processor, 2C, 4T, 5MB cache, 3.5 GHz max boost. 8GB DDR4 RAM, 128GB SSD NVMe plus 1TB SATA hard drive. AMD Radeon Graphics 15.6 inches FHD display. The full-size backlit keyboard 3 on Asus M515 is perfect for working in dim environments. Ergonomically designed, its sturdy, one-piece construction and 1.4mm key travel provide a comfortable typing experience. The Nano Edge display gives Asus M515 a vast screen area for an immersive viewing experience for work and play. Its wide-view FHD panel features an anti-glare coating to reduce unwanted distractions from irritating glare and reflections, so you can truly focus on what's in front of you. With an overall weight of just 1.8 kilograms too, the extremely portable Asus M515 is the lightweight laptop that keeps up with your fast-paced lifestyle. It looks good, too, with its transparent silver, slate gray, peacock blue finish. Internal protection, HDD protection and chassis enhancements. Asus M515 features EAR HDD shock dampening to protect your data from every bump, while its reinforced chassis improves typing and allows you to open and close the lid in one smooth motion.